welcome to the homepage copy template. Thank you so much for downloading it. I am Amanda, your host. I am a website designer and transformation coach. And what that means is I really help support people through the website design journey, because it can be a journey. It can be an inner journey and, an outer journey with all the stuff, the copywriting, the creating the images and all of that. So I am here to help you today with your homepage copy. This is essential and like one of the first hurdles that we need to get through. So let's make it really, really easy. So what I've done, instead of, giving you a bunch of words in a text document by themselves, I really wanted to instead give you a hands-on way to actually visualize like where the words are going. So what I've created for you is a homepage template that looks like a website and is laid out in the way that you would probably flow through a website that would work for pretty much any service business. So any service business like yours. This is great for you, like if you're really a solopreneur, you really care about your clients and all of that. This is the template for you. So I'm really excited. So we're just going to go through quickly, watch this guide till the end if you can, just to get all the instructions. We're going to explore the homepage copy template, and we're going to refer to the homepage copywriting guide, which will be like an explanation and an extra addition to help you figure out how to write that title or write that paragraph. And it all refers back to the homepage copy template. So this is your homepage copy template, and I'm just going to move this up. As you can see, it is in my branding colors, which is just there, like very basic, just so that you can see like what it could look like, what you can do with it. It does not have to look like this. You can change all of the fonts and colors, but this is basically just your guide to do writing. So the fonts and colors really don't matter. So this is the hero image, the hero section of the section. So when you go on a website on a computer, you pretty much only see this section, it like within your screen, right? And then as you scroll down, like that one appears. And then as you scroll down, like that's going to be in like the entire screen of your window. So that's what these sections are. And it takes your clients through a little bit of a journey to get to know you and know how you're unique and all of that. So what you need to do here, so this is just a guide for like, this is where your menu is going to go. You can even use this to figure out your navigation menu, what you want your pages to be, etc. These are the links people would click to get to your other pages, for example. So for each heading, we have details on the guide. Well, we have details here as well. So you can literally just use the template to guide you here with like H1. It just means H1, H2, etc. This is just a guide for like Google to know how to read your website. It's really important to know, but if it's confusing to you, just ignore it or just delete it. But you can just go in literally and just write in your heading. So whatever you want your heading to be, your big bold heading. Now that you've read that, I'm just going to hit Control-Z to do that. And so there are instructions as well how to write your little call to action here, which is your button. So these are your buttons. These are just placeholders for images that you could use. For your hero section, you could even make the whole background an image. That design part is totally up to you, but let's focus on the copy. Okay, so we have details on how to start it there, but if we want a little bit more detail, we have the copywriting assistance guide. This is my little welcome message on how all this works. But if we were to get started, for example, this explains to you what this header section is. And then now we're here on the hero section. So as you can see, this exact same title is here. So you can match this title to this page. And in case you erase this because you write in your own writing, you know kind of where to go back to and be like, oh, wait, what was that meant to be? So it's meant to be a big bold heading to capture emotion of who you help. So, and then there is also tips as well. So tip, if you try to include keywords, for example, for me, a keyword that someone might Google search. So that's what a keyword is. So what people type into Google to potentially find you. Mine for my business would be website designer. which is really boring to add into the big hero image, right? And just be like, I'm a website designer. That's boring. But what you can do is make something really catchy and exciting for the first one, the H1. And then in the H2, you can elaborate on it and be like, I do website design for solopreneurs and women, like ambitious women. That would be like one for me. So that is an example of that section. It goes into a bit more detail of like what you could use for a hero image and then what your call to action could be. So CTA here is described for you as a call to action, asking your clients to take action and press the button. So that goes in there. And then there are spaces as well for you to do rough copy. Just like the next section asks you to work out what your unique selling proposition is, which is what makes you unique, what makes you different when you are giving your clients your service. How do you do it differently? And why should they pick you as opposed to someone else? No pressure there, really. Just answer those 3 questions if you like, and then that will guide you on what that USP could be. So like, for example, Domino's pizzas, you get fresh, hot delivered pizza to your door in 30 minutes or less, or it's free. Simple, easy, different. Okay, so where are we at then? So as you can see, you've told them why you're unique. Like, it really goes through what portions you need to follow through on to make a great copy. And then you can use those sections to do some rough copywriting in here. So just do your brainstorm in here. There's just some placeholder copy there to laugh about. Great. So I really hope you enjoy this template. If you do need any more help with your website design or copywriting or anything like that, so I've really put my heart and soul into this new program, this new course that I've made called the Website Transformation Academy. And I'll try and make it short for you. I just wanted to let you know that I do offer this. It will be launching very soon. And it's just a website in a week course. So you can do this in 7 days. You can take longer as well. You can choose to be self-paced. But what I really wanted to do was be providing a supportive, quick way and very cost-effective way for people to get their website online, and a website that converts and feels really personality rich and, makes you unique from everyone else, especially in this world of AI. Let's get your unique personality out there, and let's get your website that is affordable. Like, I do create websites all the time, right? It takes a lot of work. So that is why website design is so expensive. But there is a way that, like, this is the way that I've made so that you can, cut the cost, save thousands, save time, because sometimes website design can take 3, 4, 5, 6 months to get ready with a website designer. But your business, so you can do it a lot faster. And if you have the tools and how to actually put it together and create this beautiful drag and drop website with my course, if you do choose to, then you can get your message out there faster, because you already know you, so you don't need to communicate to me, and we don't need to work, in a longer term. So this saves you time, this saves you money. And, I got into website design so that people, like small businesses, could get more access to being online, like having a website presence, having a presence like that. Because not having a website is just keeping your business small. It's just keeping you small. It's just, and not in a bad way, but at the same time, like, you might as well leverage this beautiful, unique tool that we have. So if you are keen right now, there's a pre-sale on. It is like so far off. It is $333 right now. It will be going up to $555 on August 14th. But, I am trying to definitely give you as much value as I possibly can. There are so many bonuses inside, but these are my favorite bonuses. So there are the only 10 spots available for the pre-sale, which includes one-on-one voice chat support with your own website designer, and that includes 4 weeks of it. So if you do want to take your time and go a little bit more self-paced, you have 4 weeks of, me on the other side of the line, supporting you, helping you through the challenges. There are a lot of mindset blocks that come up when you're trying to sort out your website, and there are also a lot of tech blocks that you might have and be like, oh God, what do I do? That's when you can call me. So that's my favorite feature. There's going to be community support as well, and it is step-by-step micro lessons, really easy. You can just click in and be like, I need to figure out how to do this one thing, and that you'll just click the one title and be like, oh, that's what I need. And then you can really quickly like digest, oh, that's how I do that, and then quickly move through it. And there is also lifetime access available for everyone that signs up on the pre-sale. As well, there is a guarantee that I'm so confident you can complete your website if you do get through all of the modules and you do your best to get through building your website. And I know you will. I will be there to support you. You will not fail at this. But if you don't get all the way through and you cannot do it, if you cannot get your website live, then I am there to give you your money back guarantee, which is totally available to you, whatever happens. So if you are keen to join me on the Website Transformation Academy on my website, untameddesigns.com.au. So thanks for tuning in, and I really hope that you have a fun time making your homepage copy on this template. Okay, enjoy.